Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video, I want to show you guys the newest build that I have got planned for the channel. So this right here is a low center of gravity chassis conversion kit for the two-wheel drive Traxxas Slash. Now, this is going to be the basis for this next build that I have for the channel. And I'm going to cut right to the chase what this build is. It is going to be a drag car. So I'm going to be using a two-wheel drive Traxxas Slash chassis as the basis for a drag car build for the channel. So this is a really hot thing going on right now, and it spikes my interest just enough where I think it'd be pretty cool to build one. So if you think that's interesting, go ahead and subscribe and also hit the notification bell so then you'll be notified when I come out with new videos. But what I started off with was the low center of gravity chassis conversion kit, which I believe is part number 5830. And I'm going to go ahead and put an affiliate link down below where you can buy this. And if you do purchase it through the link that I provided down below, it really does help out my channel. And it's only $39.99 for this chassis conversion kit. I originally was going to start off with the high center of gravity one that I had laying around off of the cheapest Traxxas Slash build. But after watching Mark Santamaria's video, shout out to Mark Santamaria because I watched his video on how to convert a two-wheel drive Traxxas Slash into a drag slash, and it looks like it's going to be much better to start off with a low center of gravity chassis. So I swapped out that high center of gravity one. This right here is a transmission that came with the cheapest Traxxas Slash, which is the 272 Magnum transmission. Now, the good thing is it is metal geared, but the downfall is it has got a planetary differential. And for drag racing, I don't know if that's going to be any good. I might test out and see if it holds up. But the issue with a planetary diff is I can't really attune the diff. I can't put diff fluid in. I can maybe try putting some super thick grease or diff fluid in, but it's probably not going to stay in long term since a planetary diff isn't really meant to hold any type of fluid and keep it sealed in. I did swap this transmission out originally out of the cheapest Traxxas Slash because I stripped a gear in it, and then I ended up swapping a Pro Series transmission from Proline, which was like a $120 transmission, into the cheapest Traxxas Slash project. Now, I did get that main input gear replaced on this transmission, so this transmission's back up and going again. So I probably will start off with this transmission. I also had a servo that I had laying around. This right here is a Power HD servo. Just a cheap one that I had laying around that I got fitted in. This right here is actually the bell crank that originally came in the cheapest Traxxas Slash. Or sorry, it didn't come in the cheapest Traxxas Slash. This is originally the very first upgraded one. It's actually a Traxxas upgraded part. The only reason I took it out was because this piece right here, this lever piece that goes to the servo link, this kept on pulling up off of that hexagon-shaped piece, and I'd lose my steering. And it was happening on almost every single big jump I did with the cheapest Traxxas Slash. So I ended up swapping out for aluminum hot racing one. And I had this laying around, so I decided to put this in. I don't know if I'm going to keep this one in because I actually bought a different one. I might put that in. We will see. But actually, I had already started this project before I watched Mark Santamaria's video, and it turns out I'm going to need some different arms. So these are the original stock Traxxas Slash two-wheel drive arms. I swapped those over to RPM, so I had these stock ones laying around, but after watching Mark Santamaria's video, it looks like I'm going to want some shorter arms to actually do a drag build. So I think it's like Traxxas Bandit arms, or actually just Traxxas Slash drag car arms, like the ones from the Traxxas Drag Slash, which I have a whole bunch of parts over here, guys. So once I get done showing you guys what's going on over here, I'm going to show you all the parts that I have that I'm going to be upgrading to build this Drag Slash. I guess the other thing I have these Atomic RC shock towers. These are the aluminum shock towers I originally put as the very first upgrade for the cheapest Traxxas Slash project, but I ended up bending this one right here. So I swapped out to RPM ones on the cheapest Traxxas Slash, had these ones laying around, got this bent back into shape, and got that installed. I might keep these on, but I actually bought some different ones, so I might actually put those ones on. I'm not sure. But that's really all there is to show you here. This also right here is the front bulkhead off of the cheapest Traxxas Slash because I put in an RPM one in that. I also have the original shocks that came off the cheapest Traxxas Slash, but the other thing I decided to do was I decided to just get a hold of the Drag Slash shocks. So now I'm going to show you guys all the upgrades I have planned for it. So first off, I need a controller, I need a transmitter, I need a radio system, I should say. So I'm starting off with just a regular TQI radio system. It's got a TSM receiver right here. I've got to get that installed. Also, since I'm building this chassis from scratch, I don't have a receiver box, so I bought a receiver box right here that was pulled off a new machine. So I got that, have to get that installed, get the receiver put in that. A lot of these parts right here are actually takeoff ones from like the new Drag Slash. This right here I bought mainly because I needed the links, because these links right here are slightly shorter than the stock links for the Traxxas Slash. I needed the links anyway. So I ordered this, but it came with the new bell crank system that comes on the Traxxas. So I might actually swap this in and swap this one out, because this actually has a little servo saver built right into it. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. It's got a servo saver built in. I also bought the spindles and the hub carriers that came off of the Traxxas, and that is going to go on here, because I don't think the two-wheel drive ones, at least the front steering knuckles, I don't think they're actually interchangeable. I believe, if I remember correct from watching Mark's video, he said that it's actually not interchangeable. So these came off the Traxxas. These right here are the arms off the Traxxas, so they're slightly shorter arms. I did get another bulkhead, but that's just because I needed the pins. I did not realize the pins actually came with the arms, so I have another bulkhead. I got pins. I did need this piece. Oh, it comes with that piece too. So yeah, I got some extra stuff. Right here, these are actually the shocks that come with the Traxxas. So these ones with the blue stoppers, those I guess those would be bump stops. Those are the front ones, and the other ones are the rear. So I'm just gonna put those right on. And I think these ones are tuned like, I think they have like 60 weight oil in the rear and like 20 weight in the front or something like that. They're tuned for the Traxxas, and the springs are obviously tuned for the Traxxas. And also, I have got drag tires. So I went ahead, I decided to just go with the ones that come on the Traxxas. So these right here are part number 9475, which these are, well, none of it's in English. But these are basically the Traxxas tires. These are the ones that actually have the black rims. They are Mickey Thompson, like endorsed. So they have the MT on the side, but they're black. I really like the look of those. I was trying to get hold of some black drag wheels for the front. In the end, I only could find these online, and these are, they are for the Traxxas Traxxas, but these are like the chrome, they're like the chrome black ones. So they are chrome black. I think they're still gonna look all right with these. I think once I pair them up, they're actually going to look pretty decent still, even though these ones are like gloss black and these ones are like chromed out black. But these are the front ones. And what else do I have? Oh, the thing I was saying about the shock towers, I might not keep these because I actually bought these ones from Extreme Racing. These are like really low profile. I bought these carbon fiber ones. Here's a front one. And I bought this carbon fiber rear shock tower right here from Extreme Racing. So I might put those on. I've also got a Pro-Line body mount system right here for the two-wheel drive Slash, so I can attach a body. And I think that's all the stuff that I have, and majority of the stuff I'm going to need. Also, let me know if there's anything else you think I need. I still need drive shafts. That's one thing I should point out. I'm still waiting on drive shafts. I will need to get a power system installed on this machine. I'm not sure what I'm doing for that yet, so we're going to have to see. But you're probably wondering about body. I already got the body right here, actually. And this is the body I decided to go with, guys. This right here is the, I believe it's a 1969, yeah, 1969 Chevy Nova body, which I think looks super dope. I do have to cut it out, but I actually do not need to paint it because it's already black. This is made by Pro-Line. It's for the Losi drag car, so the 22S no prep drag car, or the Slash two-wheel drive. Oh, or the Team Associated one. The AEDR10, I think. That's Team Associated one. So this is the body I'm going to mount up. Comes with all the stickers and everything. So I'm super excited to see what this looks like on the machine. But I have to cut it up, get all the decals put on, do all that stuff. But I'm going to do a lot of this off camera, guys. But majority of it's going to be built by the time you see it next. But I'm going to be building this thing. If you want to see some tests with this thing and the progress with this machine, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell so then you'll be notified when I do come out with new videos, which there will be new videos on a very regular basis on this channel. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you guys next video. Later.